Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, if you're new to this channel and you've not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, and also make your comments. I'd love to watch out for it. Let's take a look at GBPUSD. Would want to see where the price will be moving for the next day. So let's do a quick recap on this our price, right? This is our weekly time frame on GBPUSD, right? If you take a look at the foot trend, you can see that this is a bearish move. Then we can now take a look at this level here that price has been ranging. We also want this price has once come to this level down here, then it went up. It also came down to this level again. This is one of the reasons why I highlighted this level, which we will be taking the level below as our support level, and the level above we will be taking it as our resistance level. So we can now see also that our price has now been ranging for some time. Then eventually it dropped to our support level, and guess what again? It actually broke below the support level. We all know how to take this trade on this support and resistance level. Is that once price is actually ranging and it tends to break out of the support level, right? We will definitely see a pullback, right? So if price is kind of like ranging within this area here, right? If price is ranging and price breaks out of this resistance level, definitely price must come back to test this resistance level before it continue its movement upward. But if it actually was ranging and it broke out of the support level, right, this support level, then definitely price must give us a pullback to test the support level before we continue our bearish move. So it is exactly what we've had here, right? I've highlighted this level down, which is our support level. Take a look at this GBP USD. We've seen price actually broke below it, right, on the weekly time frame, and now price has given us that pullback, right, tested it, and now this is one of the reasons why we're actually having a drop on GBPUSD. So do not be surprised that our GBPUSD will be dropping, but we would want to see where this price will be moving for the next day. One thing is that we all know that this GBP will want to be dropping, right, and everybody would want to short it, right, but we all know how these banks trade, how these institutions trade. Is that one, they know that a lot of people are taking a sell position, then they tend to take a buy up to actually take out a lot of trader. It is exactly what might possibly happen the next day. So I know you guys might be wanting to short and go down, but have it in mind that there's every possibility that price can even push up further, possibly for the next 2 days before it actually drops. Though if price manages to drop the next day, then there's no problem. It is fine, it is good, we are still good to go, there's no problem, but there's every possibility that this price can even push up. One of the reasons why I'm saying that is that let's take a look at our USD index. So I do trade the USD index, right? We see that price has come down repeatedly, it has tested this level, right? We saw it drop, tested this level, we saw it drop, tested this level. I personally still believe that this USD index will actually drop to take out this level. So until this price will definitely drop to take out this level, right? So as this USD index will be dropping to take out this level, this is why we will be getting a bullish move, possibly be getting a bullish move on our GBP USD, right? So I mean, are we just going to get that drop down? Well, I don't think so. We might possibly get a pullback first here, then a drop. So we can consider this as a drop. Then maybe a little bit of a pullback, which will give us like that green. Then after it, then a drop should occur to take out this low, because I believe the drop will occur to take out our liquidity level. So by the time we are having this drop to this our USD index, then we should be having a bullish move. By the way, I want you to also have it in mind that if price does not drop down below to take out this level and it continues to go up, right, then we will continue to see a bearish move on our GBP USD. I'm not trying to say that GBP USD will not drop. I just want you to be very, very careful that there's every possibility that it can even push up to take out a lot of traders. A lot of traders would want to start shorting, would want to start selling. And this is where the reverse of the movement will actually take place, whereby the GBP itself to our USD will be actually just spike up and it will actually take you out of this trade. It can even push up to even take out this level. So be very, very careful now you take this trade. There's a possibility to spike up, take this trade, take out this level. So be very, very careful. That is why I'm saying GBP USD, there's huge probability that we would be pushing up for some times before we start getting that drop on GBP USD. So I still believe GBP USD will push up for some time, for some period before it drops. And if eventually market opens and it start giving us that bearish move on GBP USD, then fine, no problem about that. We can go ahead with the trade. That is what I want you guys to know on this GBP USD, right? Now let's take a look at this for our time frame on this GBP USD. If it shows us, by the way, we'll go. So we would want to take this trade, right? You've seen it gone up, right? You can take a look at this as pullback correction, this as a drop, this would be the correction, right? We would see it as a drop again. Here we take it as a correction on GBP USD. We will see it as a drop. Here comes the correction, right? We would now get this as a drop and we will be seeing this as a correction. Though a lot of you would want to start shorting. Also, this is one of the reasons why I'm saying very, very careful that this price can eventually push up before we get a drop. And if eventually price opens and it drops, then there's still no problem. I'm not telling you that you should just go long, that GBP will just go long. I'm just letting you to know that you should be very careful that there's a liquidity that possibly will play out whereby a lot of traders will be taken out. So I want you to be very careful on how you place your stop loss. Maybe if you place your stop loss wide enough, then fine, you'll be able to go. If you are tightening your stop loss, I just want you to reconsider that price might play out to take out a lot of traders. So just watch out for our GBP USD for the day.